So guys, I'm just getting ready for the day. This is day 2. It's already 1 o'clock. I'm gonna load myself with moisturizers and oils. That's really my winter essential whenever I get ready in a hill station. So using the Face Shop moisturizer, I've actually put one layer already. I'm putting some more because I'm getting a lot of dryness because of the change of weather. So as you can see, a big, huge layer of moisturizer. I'm gonna move on to an oil. Putting on the Moroccan Argan oil from The Ordinary. Lots of face oil, guys. I'm using the Moroccan Argan oil, then I'm gonna be using the Pahadi local oil as well because that's really what is keeping my skin nourished here. Lots of dryness around my nose, as you can see, but lots of oil does the job here in the hills. Not much makeup at all. So using the Pahadi local oil, this is the Gutti ka tel. Guys, it doesn't smell good at all, but it really nourishes. So I'll take a little bit of it only and I'll just... So see the glow. Everyone asks me where the glow comes from. It's these oils and moisturizers, guys. So the moisturizing and oiling is done. Moving on to a little bit of makeup, of course. I'm moving on to my favorite It Cosmetics CC cream. They need to come to India. I had stock of 2. I'm on my second one. Big bottle and it goes a long way. Hence I'm not worried right now. But once this is over, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So using my Real Techniques brush and just using a little bit of base. I love what these oils do to my skin. Can you see? There's hardly any foundation or like the cream, I'm hardly using it. But the glow and this good smooth feel to my skin is only because of the moisturizer and the oils. If you have dry skin like mine, just invest in good face oils, guys. So I think that's pretty much it. I might not even use so much because my skin is feeling good. Can you see, guys? It's so good. I think it's the beautiful clean air that we are breathing right now. The skin also feels good about it. So I think I'm done with the base. It's very basic. It's very simple. Another winter essential, loading myself with lip balm, guys. My lips are so chapped and dry right now. Pretty much the only lip color I'm using is this Vaseline lip balm. So the lip balm has this beautiful rosy tint to it. I love this natural lip balm. It's my absolute favorite and it's dirt cheap. But you don't get it in India, that's the problem. I think £5 in London. I got it for like 200-300 bucks from Dubai. So I always top this up. Little bit of highlighter because I love it. Anyone asking me, always asking me about the glowy skin. I only work for the glow, nothing else. The base is natural. You saw how little CC cream I used. I actually kept it back. But glow, everything to do with glow products are my thing. And just see the beautiful glow this gives me. Amazing. Moving on to a little bit of a blush using the Benetint. I've got very limited products this time in my beauty kit because I always overpack in terms of makeup, and this time I decided to keep it very simple because I wanted to look bare and simple only. So Benetint and mascara, the Bad Gal Bang, so Benefit products, perfect. And because I had ordered such a big bottle, as you know, I'm not a big fan of the Benetint, but I'm still finishing it up. Let's add some blush. Anyway, my nose keeps turning red the moment I feel cold, so yes, this blush is done. Now because my skin already had so much moisturizer, oil and everything, even a dry, watery blush like this is giving a nice, decent glow on my skin. So that's the glow secret again, guys. Going on to some mascara because the eyes are looking super bare, and as you can see, I haven't even used the concealer on my under. I think I'm going to keep it natural. Best mascara, guys. I was a fan of Too Faced, but since Benefit has come into my life, Too Faced has taken a back seat. The view that I'm seeing right in front of me right now while getting ready is everything, guys. It's beautiful. Again, a Benefit product. God, guys, I really am obsessed with Benefit that way. I never usually have too many products from a single brand, but Benefit really has some of the bestseller products that everyone needs to have, especially like this. The Groove Proof Brow Pencil is amazing. Moving on to lips. Now, the name of this lip color is actually gone. I don't know. I got it part of a Buxom, I think. I got it part of a Sephora kit and I actually love this. It's like the perfect pinkish nude. And I don't use too much of it. I just dab a little and mix it up with my gloss. Just a little bit of gloss. This is the Marc Jacob gloss. It's all about gloss today. I think I'm pretty much done, not more than this. Perfume, of course. My go-to, always favorite, Chanel Chance. God, it smells great. I'm gonna Dyson my hair a little, guys. My face is done. This is the final look. Very simple, I might put on some kajal though. Let's wear some kajal because the under eye is very bare. Yep. I think that does the job. So guys, hair are done, makeup is done. Leaving my hair as is. I think I got the wrong attachment. I usually get the one where the hair go out. This one is making my hair go in, but it's okay. I think it's looking nice. So I'm gonna end this here, the get ready part of it.